Acme Educational Publications. Number 1, Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics, Early Year Foundation Stage 2. Welcome, young learners, to an exciting exercise that will boost your cognitive growth. C is for cat. Now let's practice the sound of C. Can you say it with me? Ka, ka. K is for kite. Let's practice the sound of K. Can you say it with me? Kite. E is for elephant. H is for helicopter. R is for rag. M is for monkey. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.